Hello classmates, hello teacher Rob. This is my report. It's called Structure of the Skin. Let us start. Structure of the skin. The skin has three layers: epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. Epidermis is the outermost and thinnest layer of the skin. It continuously makes new skin cells to replace the old ones that had that have been sloughed off. Dermis, the next layer of the skin, it is thicker than the epidermis. It is the middle layer of the skin. Hypodermis, the third layer of the skin or subcutaneous layer. This layer is filled with fat tissues. The fat tissues of the skin function as heat insulators. Other organs of the skin. Hair. Your skin is generally covered in hair. However, there are also parts of the skin that doesn't have hair, such as lips, palms, and soles of your feet. The hair follicle is divided into hair root and hair shaft. Hair shaft. Hair root. It originates from the hypodermis and extends as a hair shaft to the dermis and epidermis. Trivia time! Do you feel the sharp pain when a hairstylist cuts your hair? Cutting hair isn't painful. It's because the hair shaft is made up of dead cells. Cells. Nail. Nails protect the end of the fingers and toes. The cells of nails are grown at the base where you can see the half-moon shaped region called lunula. Disease of the integumentary system. The integumentary system may suffer from some common diseases. Acne. Acne is the most common seen on the face, neck, and upper chest. It is caused by several factors such as genes, heredity or family history, and bacteria. It is common on teenage years. Keloid appears like a exaggerate scar. It is usually bigger than the size of the wound itself. It is typically shiny, hairless, and feels hard and rubbery. Scabies is a skin infestation by a parasite called itch mite. Remember that. Sarcoptes scabi. This is a result of unhygienic living conditions. Head lice. Head lice infestation is common among children. This condition is transmitted directly by physical contact with an infected person or indirectly by using infested items like comb, towel, blanket, pillow, and etc. Hives is caused by an allergic reaction and may also be manifestation of other systemic disease. It may be prevented by avoiding cause of allergic reaction. Don't worry. Hive disappears after about 30 minutes. Proper care for the integumentary system. Common problems of integumentary system can be easily prevented. Here are some ways to keep your integumentary system healthy. 1. Observe proper hygiene. 2. Wash your face at least twice a day. 3. Avoid exposure to too much sunlight. 4. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to stay hydrated. To hydrate your skin. Quiz time! But don't worry. We will take the quiz at Teacher Rob's class. Kindly, kindly, I'm gonna screenshot this and then I'm gonna send it. Wait. Okay, done. Thank you for watching.